Last week I know I shared with you how there was a situation whereby I was taking the bus route. It was taking far too long now because I'm travelling quite far out to northwest London, and realised that there's a train station just across from where I get my bus back home that actually will take me to Clapham Junction and make it a lot easier for me. And basically I've been saving 2 hours a week, which is, no, 2 hours a day, which is more or less, I would say 12 hours a week. What's happened now is I've been travelling further out, and I noticed there was a tube station that I could maybe get. So I went in to find out what zone it was, and it was zone 2. So I'm getting on the tube. Again, it's saving me a lot of time, but I'm noticing I'm being charged on my Oyster card. And I'm sort of thinking, how come though? Because it's zone 2. So after about 2-3 days of being charged, I remember travelling, and one of the guards there told me to use the purple meter, if you know what I'm talking about. And I didn't realise, I didn't know what it was for, right? But I know it's for interchange. And I thought it was for interchange if you were going to a zone 1. So I go up to one of the guards and I say to him, oh, you know with the purple meter, am I supposed to use it? Because I've just got off from here and I'm travelling to there. And he said yes, but he gave me a leaflet that explained it. And what it does is, if you use your Oyster on the purple meter, it can calculate, how can I say, it will be able to distinguish where you're travelling from, so it doesn't charge you extra. And so I began to realise this. So I used it and I noticed that I wasn't being charged. And but I'm just, but how about you? Have you been in a situation like that whereby you realise that you can use a quicker route, and you're using the quicker route, but you're being charged, not realising that you have to use the purple meter, and then you start using the purple meter and you see the difference? And but don't forget to comment on my page, welcome to Robert, so like and even share. Don't forget to press the notification button so that all the videos that I do come up and running straight to you. So basically, to be honest, even if I had to pay the extra, you know, I wouldn't really mind it, because it is saving me a lot of hours per week. But it's because it was in zone 2. It's not supposed to, because of my Oyster zone 2 and 3. But I'm really impressed with the fact that my Oyster actually takes me that far out though. Because I thought it would take me more or less around South London, and probably the furthest up until Brixton, as long as I'm not entering zone 1. So I really am learning something here. Really, you know, I'm really making the most of it. But I do look forward to hearing your comments. Take care. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.